Hello, my name is Tiffany. This is Captain's Log, July 6, 2026 at 3:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm on the West Coast here in Los Angeles. This course was dense, concise, easy to digest, all very relevant to my VP level technology position. I have a backlog of initiatives. This course has prepared me well, given me clarity to the point to which I feel very comfortable in working through each of these new initiatives. Additionally, my assignments are all focused on a real world AI project that we really didn't know how to get started. In an Agentic AI agent to improve booking and product upsells for very popular attraction at my company. So this course goes directly to work. Really great stuff. Multiple aha moments throughout the course. I didn't have a single one. I had multiple, which is really, really nice. For instance, the power and limitation of vibe coding. We've been pushing our programmers to use various code generator AI code generators, and they have, but they still have to test the code. They still have to validate the code. They're still responsible for the code. So it was very interesting to kind of feel and see that firsthand. The broad and legal compliance and bias considerations that must be addressed early and throughout the life cycle of an AI solution. Very common sense kind of stuff that you would think, but putting it in front of you and making you really digest all that means was really good. Cybersecurity. The basics remain the same. I assume that, I guess, but again, having that content right in front of you, but what does change is the scope, right? The scope now increases to include, all these various data sources, custom APIs, normal APIs, secure tunnels to sources, and extensive monitoring and different types of monitoring. So that was really interesting. But what really changed things for me, I think, all these things did. Like I said, the whole course was really beneficial, but demystifying the AI architecture. That was really helpful for me, knowing the basics about the key components that make up an AI solution, the RAG and vector databases, MCP protocol or custom APIs made for the AI processing, AI to AI agent designs, the different limitations of various LLM models and their associated in the token costs driven by both speed and accuracy. All these things are really important, and I can see how we're dealing with Microsoft and how we're dealing with AWS and how we're dealing with our own custom solutions and Salesforce, right? And Salesforce is, again, kind of out of the box. Microsoft kind of out of the box. AWS a little bit more kind of build your own. But we're seeing how all these things come together now, and it's really, really enlightened and really streamlined the process, because we had this backlog of AI projects that we just couldn't get started, and now we're really getting started now on a lot of these things. This course was packed with useful and relevant information. The office hours and other videos gave important context that kind of brought all this stuff together. My only wish is that I had more time. I would love to continue this as long as it could go. It's really great stuff. Took some nights and some weekends, but really enjoyed it. For me, in closing, this course has had an immediate return on investment. What a great investment, which I will be highly recommending to all my colleagues. Thank you very much, Sven. It's been a great experience, and all the best. Captain out.